National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited Regional Office Shillong, Kabadai ka Public Sector Undertaking Hapo Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, Haganok Paising Baar kala IT Artli Ambulance sa Sorkar Jylla, kum gajing IT lang hakajing kun persya kalam COVID-19. Yakini ki ambulance la shimti hi daw menteri badipe katana ka kakya ka Sorkar Jylla ba yalhak hakajilang balengkot hapalau ka office trekam ka wonjuru emergency law mali. Hakajilang lang ki officer na katana ka kakya nakaliang ka NHIDCL lawan meri khmat daw Colonel Narendra Sharon kini ki ambulance ki dei ki balabyang lut harkat kiwe ki jingdon kam ki balatip kum ka state of art life saving ambulance. Yakini ki ambulance lathit leng ba ka scheme corporate social responsibility chong ka NHIDCL. Ulu ongru ba ka NHIDCL kan thiet shushu sa shipot li ki ambulance ha ka dul ka kali iko batchen on sa IT sa Sorkar Jylla. Nakaliang bahek ulai kuble ya ka NHIDCL kentup ya ki officer bat kinong tray boro ki buan bat kersan lang ya ka Jylla hakum kan ikapor ka jing nakadaw ka jing kiu ka kalam COVID-19.
On behalf of the Health Department and on behalf of the MDA government to the NHIDCL for donating 2 ambulances for the use of our government. So as I said, now will be used for the other purposes, but now we are the immediately requirement is to use for the COVID management only. So now immediately, of course, we are giving another 10 ambulances, which is the form of the other small ambulances will be coming from you in an initiative of the CSR initiative. So definitely we are going to accept those also, but definitely this also now the requirement is very, very urgent and time come that we have to use for the COVID management only. So thank you very much. It is really here. I'm not saying we'll be able to fully ease to the problem which we are facing at present, but definitely make immense help for the purpose of combating the COVID-19 in our state. So thank you very much for your initiative and also for entire staff of the NHIDCL for donating these 2 ambulances. So with this few words, I'll not take much of a time. Once again, I hope not only ambulances, you are giving many other equipment also for the use for fighting the COVID-19 in our state. Thank you very much once again to all of you.